hijab style that every Muslim woman probably tried at least once in her life. It's timeless and classic. It works for every face shape. Looks chic, it's very easy to style, and it's going to stay on the entire day. Let me show you how to do it. So here's what you need. You need an undercap, you need a chiffon hijab, you need a straight pin, and a hijab magnet. I'm wearing an ninja undercap, but you can also wear one of those tube caps. We start by placing our hijab on top of our head with one short side, which goes down to here, and one long side. I like to fold in my hijabs up top. I just like the folded finish around my head, and then I'm gonna shape it around my face and pin it right here. I'm going to grab my hijab magnet and pin it right under my chin. Check the tightness. This is how I like it. Now I have a very long side and a short side, and now I'm going to grab the long side and wrap it all the way around my head. This is where I'm going to pin it. But before I do, I'm going to take this part and fold it in a little bit. Now I'm going to grab my straight pin and pin it directly to my undercap, because that's what makes it super secure. Now I'm going to adjust all of the folds, just check that everything drapes just the way I want it to. This is it. This is the final look. Only one pin. It's very secure. It's going to stay on for the rest of the day. I absolutely love it. Give it a go.